Welcome back to Multi-Passionate Mompreneur. So glad you're here, and now you get an extra bonus. Again, can I get a whoop whoop? Oh, seriously though. All right, so I'm all about bonuses. So we are doing a challenge in September on growth. And here's the thing. Sometimes you have to double down on time, things that take your time in order to grow. And so today I did want to do a little special sneak peek episode. You guys know I am making a course. I am making a course with Stephanie Gass on Facebook engagement and just how to accelerate that. I'm actually calling it Facebook Engagement Accelerator, and it's going to be all things connection, nurturing those connections so that you can move people from cold to warm leads, be authentic, and not feel salesy. Doesn't that sound amazing? So it really is using Facebook groups to build an intimate, trusting relationship with your clients or future clients, and build connections, because that is what it is all about: connection, community, and collaboration. All right, so in doing this, I have been down the rabbit hole of course creation and what it is that I want to use in the form of tech or platform to host my course, the best process to go about it. And while I'm in the middle of this course, I wanted to take a break and kind of give you guys some things that I'm working on. So if you want to create your course, you can kind of jump in. All right, so step one, what I want you to do is I want you to go to mindmeister.com, and I want you to make a mind map. I want you to outline your course and just kind of brain dump it all there, and then see if you can see some modules start to form. This is going to be very helpful if you have people who are asking you for the same exact thing and you have a system for what you do. And this will be more so like less feeling type stuff and more tactical, tangible things that you can show that will actually generate a clear win. So this would be hard. Yes, you could have a mindset module, but if the whole thing has to do with upping your mindset, like how can you measure that to get social proof? It's going to be a little harder than if it was setting up a morning routine as a module. Does that make sense? Anyway, get all that down there, all of your steps on Mindmeister. And then you can also export this, and it will make it into a PDF format, which is super cool. And then the second thing that I would do is go over to Canva. You actually can use this, I believe, with the free version. I have the pro version because I hate when I like a font and it tells me I can't use it. So there are some options for free, but if not, I believe it's like $12 or something like that. And then you click presentation. Something that I found super cool is that you can actually, along the top of the presentation, it will say presentation notes, and you can start typing the notes that you want to say or make sure that you add in the course actually right there on the slide, which is super neat, right? And you can play around with these templates. You can click the plus sign and you can add pages from different templates that you might like. You can add all sorts of things. You can also start from scratch. You can make this as neat and like cute as you want, or you can just totally just get the information out there. So make the slides for each module. And that's where I'm at right now. Step 3 is that I want you to go to loom.com. I'm really liking this for a couple reasons. Number one, you can trim right in Loom, which is really neat. So say you start the video and then you open a program that you're going to show a tutorial on, and there's a couple seconds in the beginning. You can trim that out. Say you're in the middle of a 5-minute video and a kid comes in, or you hear someone screaming in the background, or you get a call or something. You can actually trim pieces out, which is really neat. Another thing that you can do is you can organize it really well. So you can actually make a folder that is called your course or your module, and you can just make it organized. And then lastly is, I feel like you can also have this link. So if later you want to maybe make some buttons on your presentation or something like that, it's kind of neat to have that link. Also for easily sharing with other people if you're wanting to get feedback from possibly some people in your mastermind or, anyone. And then next, what I want you to do, and this is, mind you, I am in this right now, is go module by module, and you open up Loom, hit record, open up your presentation, go to the slide that you want to talk about, and begin talking. And you can kind of do it in little chunks and save it, and then that's how you can have your data or your material for your course. And then you're already in Canva, so you can make some freebies and bonuses to put in there. I can't wait to show you all the freebies I'm creating for my course. And then now you need to have something to host it. So there's many big players. I know a lot of people know about Teachable. I know a lot of people know about Thinkific. I actually decided to go with Podia. And the reason I did is, well, first of all, I hadn't heard at all about it, so I went down that rabbit hole. But Teachable seemed really cool, and it wasn't super expensive or anything like that, but they take a percentage of your sales, which is fine. I mean, I guess, because you're making the sales before they take them. And you can do a certain amount free before you have to move to the paid plan. Thinkific, you have so many ways to customize it, which was really neat. But again, it just seemed like it's going to be more money when it comes to the actual hosting. Podia, the reason I went with that, and I went with the $39 plan, or you can upgrade to the $79 plan, is honestly the idea that I can actually upload and sell digital downloads too. So when I want to procrastinate, sometimes I'll do something that is still productive and creative, and works around what I actually need to do. So this could be selling, making and developing a self-discovery workbook, which I have done, making some sort of tool or, something for people to help them with implementation or a template. I also homeschool now, so maybe there's a tool that I can make and upload it there and sell. So if you have something that you want to sell in the way of digital downloads, then Podia might be something that you want to look into. There's all kinds of other platforms, so definitely check them out. But I just wanted to explain why I went with Podia and that it's out there. So then what you're going to do is you're going to upload module by module so it's fresh in your head. And then there you go. You can also have your sales page built right in and your cart built right in with Podia, which is kind of cool, or link it back to a button on your website. I can't wait for you guys to see this actual in working order after my course is done. So make sure you're on my email list, or drop me a DM if you want to be on the wait list for this new course, because your girl's going to give you some freebies and some extra little bonuses and goodies for being the first to try this course. All right, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you enjoyed this bonus. Check us out over on Multi-Passionate Mompreneur and let us know about your business. I can't wait to hear your offers. I can't wait to see what it is you are working on. And are you starting a course? Are you wanting to bounce the ideas back and forth on how to go about doing that? Come over into my DMs at angel.mcelhaney on Instagram, or the same name at Facebook. I can't wait to hear from you. Hoping you guys have a great day, and wishing you joy and abundance. Angel.